What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. This is Sunny from personalmasteryquest.com, and in this video I want to give you a quick little visualization secret / insight, whatever you want to call it. And I actually just made a post in my Facebook group about this, which if you are not a part of, go join. The link is in the description box below. But let me read the post to you real quick, and then I'll try to give you my own interpretation. The post is actually one of the things that I learned from Fred Dodson, and he said, you might not be aware of this, but during your visualization, whenever you are imagining something, what you are looking at is looking at you. Isn't that crazy? The reality that you are looking at is looking at you. Does it sound kind of spooky? Doesn't have to. You should know that you live in a universe in which everything consists of energy, and it's all the same one energy. So the energy that I'm made up of is the same energy you're made up of, is the same energy your bed is made up of, is the same energy your car is made up of, it's the same energy the entire world is made up of, okay? It's all the same one energy. And this one energy is taking different forms. It is vibrating at different frequencies, at different rates, or densities, as you can call it. Okay, so what you focus on mentally, whatever you're imagining, for 20 seconds, you begin to resonate with and synchronize with energetically. What you focus on for 60 seconds, you are vibrating at the same frequency. You start to literally vibrate at the same frequency as the thing that you are imagining or focusing on for 60 seconds, 1 minute. And now if you focus on something for 3 minutes, you are literally attracting it into your life. How powerful is that? And now you have to decide what you will focus on. You have to choose wisely what you will focus on. And you know, this is such a simple little thing, but it's such a profound realization, is that literally what we are always giving our attention to is what we are kind of solidifying in our lives. You know, I don't know if you picked up the free reality creation cheat sheet that I always offer. It's also in the description box below. But in that reality creation cheat sheet, one of the things that I mentioned is that visualization, your imagination, is simply just a form of reality that is different, that is less dense than physical reality. And if you really want to compare it, you know, you can compare it to water, where water has so many different forms, so many different variations. You know, it exists as ice, snow, steam, liquid water, sleet, so many different things that I'm actually forgetting right now, but they're all different. They're all different forms of water, and they have the same essence, water. Just like that, reality also is, it also exists in different forms. So what we call physical reality, what science calls the only reality, is just one part of, one form of reality, one aspect of reality. And your imagination is just a less dense version of that. And for comparison purposes, you can consider physical reality as ice and your imagination as steam. So ice has denser qualities, it's more inert, and steam is very malleable. It's like moving really fast, higher oscillation, higher vibration, and it's much lighter. So, you know, I think visualization is one of those things that sometimes I even see myself procrastinating on, and I know a lot of my clients do, a lot of the people in the YouTube comments, you know, they're like, how do I commit myself to visualization? Because it seems silly, right? When you are just getting into self-betterment, it does seem silly. You're like, why am I imagining something while I could be taking action? But I want you to try to look at this differently. If you're looking at it from reality creation purposes, or that perspective, visualization holds the same weight in getting you to your goal as action, as anything else you could be doing to get you there. Because when you are visualizing, you begin to start to radiate at the same frequency as your desired reality. Now, this causes a shift in your mental state, and as I've said in previous videos, your mind is like a radio, and it's always downloading certain thoughts that are congruent with your frequency. So when you are now beginning to radiate at the same frequency as your desired reality, you start to download all the thoughts of your desired reality, which eventually help you get there. The more attention that you give to your desired reality in a positive manner, with the positive intent to manifest that reality, not coming from lack or neediness, the more attention you give to it, the more momentum you gain, and the more you solidify that very steamy reality, very malleable reality into a dense, solidified form, which we call physical reality. So I wanted to share that with you real quick. I was actually not even planning on making a video today, but I just made that post and I'm like, I can make a video about this. Someone is going to be valued by this. Maybe it'll encourage someone to start visualizing more frequently and really start to focus their attention on their desired reality in a positive, constructive manner. So I hope that I accomplished my mission with this video. I hope you gain value from it. Start visualizing, make a practice of it. You don't have to do it that often. You don't have to force yourself to do it. Just enjoy it. Don't even do it to make something happen. Simply just do it to enjoy it. And if it's an actual reality, if your imagination is actual reality, just a different form of it, then that means that when you are experiencing your imagination, that you are experiencing reality. And that what you are waiting to feel if you're saying, I need this to manifest before I can feel this, now you can just stop doing that. Now you can actually experience it right here in the present moment. I could go way deeper into this subject if you really want me to. If you do, put it in the comment section below. Maybe I'll make another video about it to really even go deeper into that aspect of visualization. But I'll leave it here for now. I don't want to keep rambling, okay? So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and share this video with a friend who would also find it helpful. The reality creation cheat sheet, as well as the Facebook group in which I posted this, in the description box below, go check that out. But other than that, if you'd like to get coaching with me one-on-one, the link for that is also down there. And subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video.